Hey, good evening guys, Raj here, and now we are walking towards Khadungla Pass. It's 18,000 feet, 18,000 plus feet. So we'll walk down 2 kilometers, and I have company with Andrea. She is a very strong runner, and I'm sure she's going to beat me. But I will be happy. And Andrea, you have to bear with my English. My English is very high, so hope you can understand. So how do you feel?
Good. I'm just hoping to finish. That's my only goal.
Same here.
If I can finish.
Same here. And here, the car is coming behind us.
Super driver, Abdul.
Abdul, and Dr. Norbu, and Deepak. Okay, now boss, I'm going to switch off my camera. I'm gasping for air. Bye, see you.
Can you take a picture of me?
Yeah.